morning to one and all. So today discussing the topic problems in construction of state model. So in any given transfer function is constructed to the state model. So ఏదైనా సరే in a control system is in the form of matrix form. సో మనం matrix form లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే దాన్నే స్టేట్ మోడల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్ స్పేస్ అనాలిసిస్ అంట. ఓకే, obtain state space representation for the following transfer function. Y of s by u of s is given is equal to 10 by z power 3 minus 4z square plus 5z minus 2. So in this transfer function, order of the system is 3. So the number of state variables 3. So y of s by u of s is equal to u of y of z by u of z is equal to 10 by z power 3 minus 4z square plus 5z minus 2. So in these state variables, order 3, so state variables also 3. Order 4 system, z power 4. So number of state variables number of state variables 4, z power 5, number of state variables 5. So order of the system is depend on state variables. So first the output is chosen as first state variable. So these are the state variables and output variables. So y of k is x1 of k. So x1 y, x2 y of k plus 1, x3 y of k plus 2, x4 y of k plus 3, x5 y of k plus 4. This is the output variables and the state variables. So chosen from the difference of output. So take the first order difference of all state variables. So that take first order difference of all state variables. So x1 of k plus 1 is equal to y of k plus 1 is equal to x2 of k. So x1 of k, so already take from y of k, and x1 of k plus 1 is equal to y of k plus 1 is equal to x2. So clear all of you, y of k is x1 of k, y of k plus 1 is x2 of k, y of k plus 2 is x3 of k, and the order of the highest order is 3. So y of k plus 4 and x4 of k is not using. So because of order of the system is only 3. Y of k plus 1 is equal to x2 of k, y of k plus 2 is equal to x3 of k, and y of k plus 3. So first to find y of k plus 3. So in the cross multiplication of y of z by u of z is equal to 10 by z power 3 minus 4z square plus 5z minus 2. The cross multiplication, this term into y of z, z cube into y of z, minus 4z square into y of z, 5z into y of z, minus 2 into y of z is equal to 10 into u of z. So this is apply inverse z transform. So in this equation, this is the transfer function. Apply inverse z transform on both sides. Z cube. So in the order of the system is 3. So order 3 y of k plus 3. So already manam choosam. X3 of k plus 1 is equal to y of k plus 3. And the z square into y of z, z square into y of z, so y of k plus 2. Z square, this is the z square into y of z. And the z into y of z is equal to y of k plus 1. Z cube is k plus 3, z square is k plus 2, z z is k plus 1 and y of z is y of k. This is the converting from the z transform. So y of k plus 3 is equal to, so in the highest order is z power 3 into y of z, order 3 system. So y of k plus 3 is equal to 10 into u of k plus 4 into y of k plus 2 minus 5 into y of k plus 1 plus 2 into y of k. So in this one, y of k, x1 of k, y of k plus 1, x2 of k, y of k plus 2, x3 of k. So conversion is very, very important. So in inverse Z transform is applying. So I clearly explained, apply inverse Z transform. Z cube is y of k plus 3. Z square is y of k plus 2. Z into y of z is y of k plus 1. Y of z is y of k. Z cube y of k plus 3. Z square y of k plus 2. Z into y of z is y of k plus 1. Y of z is y of k. In the z domain is converted to k domain. After that, y of k plus 2 is x2. Y of k plus 2 is 4 into x3. K plus 1 is x2. Y of k is x1. So very, very simple. In the output equation, y of k, x1, k plus 1 is x2, k plus 2 is x3. The state equation, so already rasa manam state equation. x1 of k plus 1 is x2, x2 of k plus 1, x3, x3 of k plus 1, 2, minus 5, 4 and 10. Okay, so x1 of k plus 1 is x2, x2 of k plus 1 is x3. So only x3, the S3 column is only 1, remaining zeros, and the x3 of k plus 1, 2, minus 5, 4, plus in the input signal is given to only x3 of k plus 1. In the state variable, x3 of k plus 1. So in the third term, 0, 0, 10 into u of k. And the output equation is, so y is substitute, y is equal to only x1 of k. In matrix form, y of k is equal to 1, 0, 0. x1 of k, x2 of k, x3 of k. So this is, input is given to only 10 or 5 or any number. So in the some cases, when both numerator and denominator having z terms, సో కొన్ని కేసెస్ లో మనకి z టర్మ్స్ అనేవి న్యూమరేటర్ లో అండ్ డినామినేటర్ లో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి? కన్సిడర్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ y of z by u of z is equal to b0 into z power n plus b1 into z power n minus 1 plus b2 into z power n minus 2 plus and so on b suffix n by z power n plus a1 into z power n minus 1 plus a2 into z power n minus 2 plus and so on an. So ఇలా మనకి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు in the numerator terms and the numerator z term, in the denominator z term, factorize y of z by u of z is separated to y of z by w of z into W of z by u of z. So in the W of z is cancelled. Same y of z by u of z. But in the simplification purpose, y of z by u of z is taking from y of z by omega of z into omega of z by u of z. So y of z by omega of z is b naught z power n plus b1 z power n minus 1 plus b2 z power n minus 2 plus and so on plus bn, and omega of z by u of z is 1 by z power n plus a1 z power n minus 1 plus a2 z power n minus 2 plus and so on an. So consider we have to repeat the above procedure. Same procedure ni use chesi. So ఇంతకు ముందు చేసాం కదా మనం స్టేట్ స్పేస్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్, ఆ ప్రొసీజర్ ని యూజ్ చేసి calculate the state variables, state model. So obtain the state space representation for the following transfer function. In the numerator, some z term, in the denominator, z term. So ఇలా మనకి న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ z terms ఇస్తే y of z by u of z is taking from y of z by w of z into w of z by u of z. So this is y of z by w of z. 1 by z power 3 minus 4z square 5 plus 5z minus 2 is w of z by u of z. So first 1 by z power 3 minus 4z square plus 5z minus 2 by w of z by u of z. So order of the system is z power 3. So the number of state variables also 3. So output is chosen as first state variable. The subsequent state variables are difference of output variables. Same x1 of k is taking from ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి ఒమేగా ఆఫ్ జెడ్ అని తీసుకోవాలి. x1 of k is omega of k, x2 of k k plus 1, x3 of k k plus 2, x4 of k k plus 3. Okay, so x1 of k is w of k, x2 of k is w of k plus 1, x3 of k is w of k plus 2. First, take the first order difference at all state variables. So k plus 1 is x2, k plus 2 x3, k plus 3 x4, k plus 4 x5. So మనకి ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 3 స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్స్. ఎందుకు? ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ ద సిస్టమ్ ఈస్ 3. సో ఓన్లీ w of k plus 2 is equal to x3 of k. So substitute all the values. So what is w of k plus 3? Z cube omega of z minus 4z square omega of z, 5z omega of z minus 2 into omega of z is equal to u of z. So in this yes, z domain is converted to k domain. Apply inverse z transform. Apply inverse z transform on both sides. Z cube is w of k plus 3. Z square is w of k plus 2. Z is W of k plus 1. Z, omega of Z is omega of k. Apply inverse Z transform. Z cube is W of k plus 3. Z square is W of k plus 2. Z into W of Z is omega of k plus 1 minus omega of k. So in omega of k plus 3 is equal to u of k plus 4 into omega of k plus 2 minus 5 into omega of k plus 1 minus plus 4 into omega of k plus 2. So omega of k is x1, omega of k plus 1 is x2, omega of k plus 2 is x3. Omega of k x1, k plus 1 is x2, k plus 2 is x3. 2 into x1 of k minus 5 into x2 of k, 4 into x3 of k plus u of k. Same, construct the state equations. So x1 of k is x1 of k plus 1 is x2. So in the x2 term is 1. x2 of k plus 1 is x3. So in the third coefficient is 1. x3 of k plus 1 is 2x1 minus 5x2 plus 4x. And the input is u of k 1. So this is the vector form in the given transfer function. The output equation in the second equation emundi manaki y of z by w of z is equal to 4z cube minus 12z square plus 13z minus 7. So apply inverse z transform on both sides. Y of k is equal to z cube w of k plus 3. Z cube into w of z means w of k plus 3. Square is k plus 2. 1 z power 1 omega of k plus minus 7 into omega of k. So y of k is equal to w of k plus 2 already calculating. So manam already calculate chesam omega of k plus 2. Substitute omega of k plus 3. So omega of k plus 3 is 2x1 of k minus 5x2 of k plus 4x3 of k plus u of k. So in x1 term, x2 term, x3 term separated, 8x1 of k minus 4 into 5, 20, 4 into 4, 16, x3 of k minus 12x3 of k plus 13x2 of k minus 7x1 of k plus 4 into u of k. So x1, 8 minus 7, 1, 20x2 plus 13 minus 7, 16 minus 12, 4 plus 4 u of k. And the state vector form, note down the state vector form in matrix. Y of k, x1 coefficient is 1, x2 coefficient is minus 7, x3 coefficient is 4 into x1 of k plus x2 of k plus x3 of k plus in the input is 4. So plus 4 into u of k. So this is the output equation and the state equation is state variable state equation x1 of k plus 1, x2 of k plus 2, x3 of k plus 1. This is the state equation and the output equation is this one. Okay, so and the next problem, obtain the state space representation for the given transfer function. Obtain the state space representation for the given transfer function. Y of z by u of z is equal to z plus 1 by z square plus 1.3z plus 0.4. In the transfer function is converted into y of z by omega of z into omega of z by u of z. Omega of z, omega of z, both are cancelled. What happened? Y of z by u of z, same transfer function. So y of z by omega of z is z plus 1 and the omega of z by u of z is z square plus 1.3z plus 0.4. Y of z by omega of z is z plus 1. Omega of z by u of z is 1 by z square plus 1.3z plus 0.4. Okay, so first construct the state model, state equation and the output equation is, so omega of z by u of z is the transfer function 1 by z square plus 1.3z plus 0.4. Order 2 is equal to number of state variables. Number of state variables is 2. Output variable is chosen as first state variable. The subsequent variables are difference of output. ఏం చెప్తున్నాడమ్మా, అవుట్పుట్ వేరియబుల్స్ అనేవి అండ్ ద స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్స్ అనేవి డిఫరెంట్ గా తీసుకోమంటున్నాడు. ఇక్కడ x1 తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ w, ఇక్కడ y తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఒకటి w ఆర్ y ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ x1 of k is equal to omega of k, x2 of k is omega of k plus 1. So x2 is omega of k plus 1. Take first order difference of state variables. ఏమా ఇక్కడ మనకి ఓన్లీ 2 x1 and x2 కాబట్టి x1 of k plus 1 is omega of k plus 1 is x2 of k and x2 of k plus 1 is equal to omega of k plus 2. సో x3 లో రాసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా మనకి? లేదు. ఎందుకు? in the given transfer function is given to the second order system only. So x2, 2 state variables is calculated is enough. For example, z power 3, 3 orders is, so x3 and z power 4 is x4. So avanni calculate cheyalsina avasaram ledhu. So calculating of omega of k plus 2. So in the cross multiplication of transfer function, omega of z into z square plus omega z, 1.3z into omega z, 0.4 into omega z is equal to u of z. Apply inverse z transform on both the sides. Z square is omega of k plus 2. Z is omega of k plus 1. Omega of z is omega of k is equal to u of k. And in the omega of k plus 2 and the remaining terms sends to the right side, minus 1.3 omega of k plus 1 minus 0.4 into omega of k plus u of k. So the omega of k plus 2 is equal to omega of k plus 1 is x2, omega of k is x1, x2 of k, omega of k is x1 of k plus u of k. The state equation x1 of k plus 1 is equal to x2 of k. So already manam chusam. In the state variables, x2 is equal to x1 of k plus 1 in matrix form. So x2 of k is x2 of k plus 1 is minus 0.4 x1 minus 1.3 x2 plus 1 into u of k, 1 into u of k. So x1 of k plus 1 is x2, x2 term is x2 coefficient is 1, x1 coefficient is 0. And the x2 of k plus 1 minus 0.4 x1 minus 1.3 x2 plus in the u of k term 0 and the 1. So under the output equation, y of z by w of z is equal to z plus 1. Y of z is equal to z plus 1 into omega of z. Z into omega of z plus omega z. So apply inverse z transform. So 1z is omega of k plus omega of k. Omega of k plus 1 already told x1 of k and omega of k is x2 of k. So in the matrix form, x1 and the x2. So 1 and the 1, x1 of k is 1, x2 of k is also same 1. So this is the construction of state space representation. ఒకసారి ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి అమ్మా. So in the transfer function, in the numerator z equation, denominator z equation, the transfer function is separated y of z by w of z into w of z by u of z. So in the denominator z equation, 1 by z power 3 minus 4z square plus 5z minus 2. In the numerator, 4z cube minus 12z square plus 13z minus 7. So you are consider omega of z by u of z is equal to 1 by z cube minus 4z square plus 5z minus 2. Here output is omega of z. Order of the system is 3. So the number of state variables 3. So x1 of k is omega of k, x2 of k is omega of k plus 1, x3 of k is omega of k plus 2. ఏమా సో మనం ఇలా క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు z పవర్ 3 is into omega of z. సో omega of k plus 3, ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ ఎంత అయితే ఉంటుందో k plus 3 టర్మ్స్, z స్క్వేర్ k plus 2, z పవర్ 1 k plus 1, omega పవర్ 1. సో ఇక్కడ z పవర్ ఎంత 0 కాబట్టి omega of k plus 0 k, z పవర్ 3 k plus 3, z స్క్వేర్ k plus 2, z పవర్ 1 k plus 1, omega of z is omega of k. So omega of k plus 3 is equal to u of k plus 4 minus 5 plus 2 into omega of k. So in this u omega of k, x1 omega of k plus 1, x2 omega of k plus 2, x3 plus u of k. And the state equation are x1 of k plus 1 is equal to x2, x2 of k plus 1 is equal to x3, x3 of k plus 1 is, so substitute all the values in the state equation. The vector form x1 of k plus 1 is equal to x2, x2 coefficient is 1, x2 of k plus 1 is x3, x3 of k plus 1 2x1 minus 5x2 plus 4x3 plus u of k. The output equation also same process, and the omega of k plus 3 is substitution of 2x1 minus 5x2 plus 4x3 plus u of k. And all the values substitute, find the output equation in the matrix form of first and the second. Okay, ma?